We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for returns for to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with HYMC, and the stock had an explosive run today, and it wasn't the only stock pushing up higher. The overall market and the SPY was pushing up higher, and our SPY bot this morning since 10 a.m. sent us out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, call options were up 2x plus within minutes, guys, and it had continuation into the rest of the day. This is our new resource that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to this resource as well and join the members using it to maximize within the volatility. The link is down below in your description to the Discord, 42 Vision Indicator, and getting connected over with the SPY bot and QQQ bot. So let's go ahead and look here at HYMC. When we zoom out, things have been consolidating within these levels, and there's been some volatility here, and we're going to break it all down in today's video. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned on the weekly watch list. I know I talk about daily opportunities, but today's home run is from the weekly watch list. There's opportunities for all types of traders, day traders, swing traders, and long-term traders. So the home run of the week was phenomenal and beyond expectations. I know we always talk about the daily opportunities, and every single stock I mentioned this morning turned out to give 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% opportunities. But here we are to talk about the home run of the week, because not only do we talk about daily opportunities, but we talk about weekly opportunities as well. For those of you that are long-term traders or even swing traders, right? There's an opportunity for everyone. And the one stock I talked about back on March 7th, near its 52-week low, and I described some old news that came out giving potential to this company. And since that date that I talked about it, it's gotten even further news with Delta Airlines and other major participants in this niche, and that stock is GEVO. And if we go ahead and pull up the chart, you will see how it's performed since we first mentioned it. It has actually ran twice. Within 2 days, it ran 30% plus, consolidated, went into weakness, and you could see the full shift here into strength on 42 Vision, and it gave a highest point of 60% plus, guys, since we first mentioned it so far. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market from our daily opportunities or weekly opportunities, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with HYMC stock, and it had an explosive run today. It continues to have a lot of volatility and opportunities within the charts and volatility, guys. So let me go ahead and pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator and getting connected over to the SPY bot, QQQ bot as well. And by joining, you'll receive the clarity you deserve and receive that edge within the volatility to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. There's always an opportunity within the charts, and you can now gain access to this resource and maximize on opportunities, just like the members that have joined and are receiving the edge and clarity they deserve. So here we are with HYMC under a bull indicator, right? Let's go ahead and talk about in today's video key levels to watch on the bigger picture and even here on the microscopic level of the 30-minute. So let's go ahead and pull up the 4-hour first. We're going to look at the 1 day and then the 30-minute. So on the 4-hour, we have here a bear indicator that has the possibility of getting canceled out if we see strength continue to the upside, and also a bull indicator pop up along that upward trend. But right now, within this consolidation and volatility, there has been a bear indicator, and it has not switched to a bull indicator as of yet, right? So it's going to take a lot more strength than breaking up towards 140 or even 150. This is going to have to break towards 160 or higher for the possibility of a bull indicator popping up on the upward momentum and canceling out that bear indicator based off the 4-hour. Now, If we go over to the 1 day though, you could see that things have been sideways and trying to bring itself back up, right? You could see it's under a bull indicator, pulled upwards, came back down, and things have slightly leveled off here. The question is, will it bounce from here to the upside or lose traction and break down to the downside? That's why we're going to go ahead and zoom on in on the 30-minute to go ahead and look at this from a microscopic level to look at the resistance and support levels. But based off the 1 day, it's trying to hold up, but this did shift here. If we take a look at it from green with green borders to green with red borders on the 1 day, okay? Super important to also keep that in mind. So here we are with the 30-minute, and you could see here it's under that bull indicator. It popped up around 125, went up to highs here of 146, 145, give or take, and now has pulled back down within the volatility. So the first thing is the low of the day here at 122. If that gets broken through, the next support level is down here at 113. And if you want to go ahead and round it down to 110, you can. 113, 112, give or take, are key levels, but I would even round that down to 110 since it's not that far from it. Now, when we zoom out, you could see that that was one of the lowest points that we saw on the pullback here after running up. And then here you saw it bounce, right? Things pulled back pretty quickly, got that bear indicator yesterday, and we talked about how this could have strong support between 124 and down here at the 120 range, right? We talked about that, and you could see within this range, it found support and bounced off of it twice and went up higher at this point right here, and we got that bull indicator. So to the downside, those are some key levels: 120, 124, and even below 120 going down towards 112, 110. Now to the upside, we want to see this break above the high of the day of 146 and also the high of the day of the previous day at 151. And if you want to round that down, you can, to 150. Now, if 150 gets broken through, the next point of reference is up here at 174, 175, give or take. And then we can start talking about higher levels within the chart. These are the key levels to the upside, to the downside. This has been consolidating here with some strength. The 4-hour and 1 day show that things are trying to hold up, but within the volatility and the 30-minute, it's important to note that we are here under a bull indicator right now. This got canceled out. And if you guys want to receive clarity within the charts and join the members that are maximizing within the volatility and creating opportunities and receiving that edge and clarity they deserve and the clarity you deserve, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to the SpyBot and QQQ bot to receive the clarity and that edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities no matter which direction the overall market or stocks are going, guys. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.